Welcome viewers. In this video, we are going to learn about vitamin D, which is otherwise known as sunshine vitamin. In the subsequent slides, we shall discuss about metabolism of vitamin D, functions, sources, requirements and deficiency of vitamin D. First, let me give a short introduction about metabolism of vitamin D within human body. When the ultraviolet rays of sunlight touches the skin, it initiates the photoconversion of provitamin D3 7-dehydrocholesterol endogenously to pre-vitamin D3. In addition to sunlight, the sources of vitamin D exogenously derived from diet such as milk and cheese. Both endogenous and exogenous sources of vitamin D will get activated in liver and further in kidney. Secondly, let us discuss about the functions of vitamin D. Vitamin D plays a vital role in maintaining the normal blood levels of calcium and phosphorus. This helps to maintain bone density, cellular growth and immune function. The endogenous source of vitamin D is sunlight, particularly ultraviolet B type of rays. The endogenous source of vitamin D of animal origin are cod liver oil, shrimp, liver, butter, egg yolk, beef, cheese and milk. The endogenous source of vitamin D of plant source are spinach and cabbage. According to Indian Council of Medical Research, the ideal vitamin D requirement in infants is 10 to 40 nanogram per ml per day, and then in adults it's around 400 microgram. Finally, let us discuss the deficiency of vitamin D in adults and children. Deficiency of vitamin D in adults will lead to deficiency of calcium, which in turn will lead to bone softening, technically termed as osteomalacia. The other symptoms are depression, fatigue and muscle cramps. Similarly, deficiency of vitamin D in children will lead to rickets, restlessness, excess sweating, abdominal distended, diarrhea, respiratory infection, delayed teeth and delayed crawling. Through this video, I have tried to depict importance of vitamin D in adults and children. Thank you.